Polychat AI is a groundbreaking tool that's shaking up the world of digital communication. And today, we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released AI software. Whether you're a marketer, business owner, or just someone looking to explore AI-powered communication tools, this video is for you. Stick around till the end because I'll reveal exactly why Polychat AI stands out in an increasingly crowded market. You can also try this software for free by clicking the first link in the description below. First off, Polychat AI is designed to help you automate and elevate customer interactions across multiple platforms. From live chat on websites to messaging on social media, it promises a seamless, human-like engagement powered by advanced AI. But what makes Polychat AI special? Let's break it down. 1. Ease of use. One of the most standout features is the user-friendly interface. Unlike other complex AI platforms that require steep learning curves, Polychat AI is built to be intuitive. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a newbie, setting up and integrating it with your website or CRM takes just a few clicks. 2. Multi-channel communication. Polychat AI allows you to manage all your messaging platforms in one place. Whether it's WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or your website chat, Polychat brings it all together. This means no more switching between tabs, making it easy to handle customer inquiries from anywhere. 3. Human-like conversations. This software doesn't just respond with robotic canned replies. Polychat AI uses machine learning to understand context, so it can hold conversations that feel natural. This ability to grasp tone, context, and intent makes it ideal for businesses looking to provide high-quality, personalized interactions at scale. 4. Automated lead generation. If you're in marketing, this feature will save you time. Polychat AI can not only answer questions but also qualify leads and gather key information automatically. So when your sales team gets the conversation, they're already armed with crucial details, helping close deals faster. 5. Cost efficiency. For businesses that rely on customer service, Polychat AI can drastically reduce overhead. Instead of hiring a full customer service team, you can automate most of the initial interactions, freeing up resources for more strategic tasks while keeping your response times fast and efficient. 6. Real-time analytics. You get detailed reports on every conversation, which means you can track performance and make data-driven decisions. Polychat AI also helps you see where customers are getting stuck, allowing you to optimize your messaging for better conversion. 7. Scalability. Whether you're a small business just starting or a large corporation, Polychat AI grows with you. As your company scales, the software adapts to handle more conversations without sacrificing quality, making it a long-term solution that supports your business evolution. Now, you're probably wondering, how can you get started with Polychat AI? The good news is you can try it out completely free, no strings attached, just by clicking the first link in the description below. I highly recommend giving it a shot and seeing how it can elevate your customer communications. If you've tried thousands of AI tools like I have, you'll know there are few that really get it right, but Polychat AI stands out. That's why I've included some of my top recommended AI tools in the description as well. After testing so many, I've narrowed it down to only the best ones, so go ahead, check them out and see which one works best for you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, check out my other content on AI software and marketing.